Hello again, people of the internet. I have just purchased an upgraded plus plan for ChatGPT. Today I will do a quick review to see what is the benefits that comes with the upgraded plus plan, which costs $20 per month at the time of this video. Let's check out the release note that was posted yesterday about the plus plan. It basically says that the plus plan has an optimized model that will make things run at turbo speed. Now let's take a look at more details about the ChatGPT Plus version. It will have faster speeds and priority access to new features. This is mainly the reason why I bought the upgraded plan, so that I will have reliable access to ChatGPT whenever I want, without worrying about the app crashing and blocking my access. Unfortunately, at this time not everyone can buy an upgrade. The Plus plan is only being rolled out to certain groups of people. Mostly for users in the United States, they will have the early opportunities to buy an Upgrade Plus plan. For the rest of the people across the world, you will need to join the wait list. Even with the Plus plan, the developers can still access your chats and all of your inputs. Okay, let's head back to ChatGPT dashboard and run a test. I will ask the AI to help me write an entire book on the subject of search engine optimization. The AI chat generation does seem a little bit faster than compared with the free version of ChatGPT. So it basically provided me the outline of the book. Now I will ask it to write about a topic from the outline. I would ask the bot to write about each topic from the outline, one at a time, and eventually this will cover the entire book content. Going back to the release note announcement, it says that users on the Plus plan can choose the Alpha Turbo model when using ChatGPT. There is supposed to be a selection option, but I do not see it in my account anywhere. Maybe they are still working on releasing this feature. I'll make an update video later when it is ready. I highly recommend using ChatGPT to make your life easier, especially for people that write a lot of content. Please subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more updates, tutorials, and review videos. Thanks so much for viewing.